Sending money across borders shouldn't be a headache, and in this video, we'll unlock the secrets to seamlessly transferring money with Taptap Send. First, download the Taptap Send app from the App Store or Google Play Store, and then open it up. Next, you'll tap Create Account to get set up. During the sign-up process, you'll be prompted to enter your phone number. After doing so, you'll receive a verification code via text message. Input the code so Taptap Send can identify you. Now for the fun part, creating your profile so you can transfer some cash. You'll need to provide some personal details like your full name, email address, and date of birth. Following this step, you will have to input your home address, ensure all the information is accurate, and finally you must upload a form of identification. This could be a driver's license, passport, or governmentist ID. With your account created, it is time to pick where to send your money. Tap Send Money. From there, you'll select the country of your recipient. Next, choose how your recipient will receive the money. Options typically include bank deposit, mobile money like M-Pesa, or cash pickup. Once you choose the method, enter the recipient's details. This will vary based on how they're receiving the money. For a bank deposit, you'll need the bank name, account number, and sometimes the SWIFT code depending on the country. If it is a mobile money transfer, they'll require you put their phone number. Double check all the information. Next, type in the amount you want to send and you'll see a money amount exchange value. Then review the transaction details, including the fee and the exchange rate. Taptap Send is very transparent on these fees. After the fine print, if you're satisfied, tap Confirm and Send, and finally, enter your payment information, such as your debit card or bank account details. After completion, you will get a notification when the money is received. Taptap Send has made it easy to keep track of all your previous orders, and that's a wrap. You've now successfully sent money with Taptap Send. Remember, using Taptap Send can be a real game changer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.